To show their strong opposition to the violent action of China in the West Philippine Sea, several progressive groups launched a noise barrage at Liwasang Bonifacio in Manila City. Henry Nicolas has the details.
A group of activists staged a noise barrage at Liwasang Bonifacio in Manila on Thursday to protest the aggressive action of China in the West Philippine Sea. This is to show their strong opposition to China's aggressive actions in the WPS. The country will mark the 8th anniversary of winning the arbitration case against China on Friday, July 12, 2024. The group encouraged motorists to join their activity and support the steps they are taking to protect the Philippine territory. According to the group, despite China's 8-year erasure of the 9-dash line, the harassment of the Chinese in WPS under Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone continues. They also condemned the most recent harassment by the China Coast Guard to Filipino soldiers in Ayungin Shoal, where one of our soldiers had major injury in defending our right to WPS. They also said that China should respect international law, UN Charter 1982 UNCLOS, and July 12, 2016 Arbitral Tribunal ruling. In this way, the tension in the contested territories in the WPS will subside. The group also called on the administration of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. to make the month of July West Philippine Sea Awareness Month throughout the Philippines as an appreciation and commemorating the historic victory of the Philippines against China.
Ang simbolikong panawagan na mag-cool down naman ng China. At magkakaroon din po tayo ng pagdagda sa isang resolusyon upang ipanawagan sa ating pamahalaan, partikular sa ating Pangulo, na gawing West Philippine Sea Awareness Month ang month of July. At bilang Pangulo ay ang panawagan noise barrage at pamamahagi ng sticker sa ating mga motorista bilang kanilang pakikisa sa ating panawagan.
This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.